Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum did pull back into the support area, not very much, but it reached the level that I normally want to see in a wave 2. So here the 50% retracement. It's too early to say that the move to the downside is basically complete, because all we see is currently just 3 green candles. However, you see they increase in size. Every green candle increases in size, so that's at least quite a bullish signal, but not enough in terms of indicating the trend is reversing. Now, certainly, however, you've got a few interesting developments here, because we broke out of this, you could call it descending wedge, right? It's defined in a decent way, actually. It's not too bad. Broke to the upside. First target normally, if you have a wedge breakout, is the beginning of the wedge. So you talk about 1848. The wedge shape here makes sense because it is a wave C. A wave C can be an ending diagonal. And you could argue that this was a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C of 2. And so far, the trend reversal area that was communicated yesterday has worked out. And I think it's always good to see how these prices do adhere to those Fibonacci levels, because we had here a reaction to the 38.2, 38.2, 38.2, and then here where it now possibly has reversed, it reacted to the 50% retracement. So it basically just touched it. Can you see that? It's just always, probably the inaccuracy is only because I didn't draw the fibs 100% accurate, and the market is obviously very, very volatile. But yeah, I mean, it's too early. Again, it's too early to say, do we have a reversal or not? Certainly, we have some initial indicators. So first of all, it came into our reversal area. It reversed from there. It reacted to the 50% fib level. That's already where I'm saying, okay, we can now be watching, do we actually have that reversal? We broke above the previous wave 4 high. That's good, but it hasn't sustained. Well, actually, it has. Okay, it's actually doing that. Now, next target or next resistance would be the wave 2 high to break above 1810, and then it would need to break above 1846 to unlock prices of $2,200 plus. That would be the expectation anyway. Highlighted to you yesterday that a bullish outcome of this is preferred, but again, it's not enough yet in terms of confirmation. But we have an initial indication that the trend might be shifting back to the upside. It's not confirmed because we are not very deep in the support area, but we hit the 50%. That's normally what we want. If we drop below 1660, we're going to morph into the, let's say, second scenario where I have to reset the wave 2. Okay, so, but even that would eventually, a bullish outcome of this would be preferred eventually. And that's because we have a series of 5 waves to the upside, 3 waves to the downside. That indicates the trend is up. As I highlighted yesterday, pullbacks in an uptrend are always opportunities. And let's see if the support areas are holding and the trend can continue. For now, I see the risk of new bear market lows declining, especially the more distance we put between new bear market lows or the key support area, which is 1218, for the larger degree count, and the current price, and the more support areas are in between, the more layers of support, the less likely is it going to be that we see another bear market low, which is not to say that it is not still possible. We still need to expect it, build it into our risk management plans, but for now, the trend is clearly up. And let's see if this is holding. Obviously, today, tomorrow are going to be quite volatile, I believe, with the Fed meeting. I mean, today, probably not too much, but typically you see some kind of reactions in advance. And then tomorrow, especially when the interest rate announcements come out, then you're going to see a lot of volatility. I think the market is really at an important point here again. But I think, as I said before, I think the Fed might make the decision to temporarily stop interest rate increases. They can't continue to do it with the banks going bust in the US. They have to continue quantitative easing, otherwise they will not keep the system alive. And interest rate increases are not going to help with quantitative easing, but QE is going to help the markets to recover, and we're gonna go back a little bit to a bit of a risk on mentality here, as it seems. Also, the altcoins today are looking a little bit more friendly. Not what you typically see in such a C wave ending diagonal is bullish divergences. Yeah, I can't remember if we saw them already yesterday, but if I go to the 1 hour chart, let's see if we do see them or did see them. Yes, there was a bullish divergence from that low to that low. I think that happened after my last video yesterday. But keep watching for this kind of stuff, right? The RSI, I really only use the RSI to watch for bottom signals. Yeah, oversold, very useful. Overbought is not useful at all. And the divergences are useful, okay? Because they can confirm the wave count. And yeah, you've got the hidden divergences and the, let's say, the regular divergences, and they are very helpful in terms of determining possible trend changes. Yeah, that's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.